I don't know what to do.
That's annoying!
Looks terrible.
We're hiding these. Ow! What is going on here?
This is a joke.
Where's the dish? This should be really obvious.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Pass It On. But it's very special because we have our competition winners with us in the studio. Hey!
And one online.
And someone watching online as well. So there are even more eyeballs in the room condemning us. So Janice, can you put us out of our misery and tell us what today's theme is?
Hello, boys. Today's theme is redemption. After another shocking performance and another classic plate of beige you served up in the last takeaway Pass It On, I'm challenging you to once again create a creative, delicious takeaway meal.
There we go.
I don't even remember what we made.
So just like Janice, sloppy seconds. It can be anything in the takeaway realms.
It's how we define a takeaway.
Do we have an order?
The order will be decided first to last by the least recent takeaway orderer.
I haven't had one since I've been in London, so that's at least 8 weeks.
Hayley, when was the last takeaway?
Barry's wife is here.
2 nights ago.
2 nights
Right,
ago.
so you're going up that end, so it's me and you. You've just had a baby.
I got a kebab on Friday, so this is the correct order.
This might just work. Interesting. Right. Takeaway. Now this is going to be a challenge, but takeaways are really, really quick. So I'm going to try and come up with some ideas that will take 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes to cook. So I'm going to make sesame prawn toast, but with chicken. I'm not even bothering to peel the ginger. Have we got any garlic, Janice? Up. 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of onion, and we'll make a paste. I would normally do this with prawn. I also want, from our dry store, some Chinese 5 spice. It's typically in our DIY it. Cinnamon, a little bit of chili, but not too much. Burger bun. Will they get the idea? They need to take this concept, understand it, and make it work. Get my idea? Right, 2 of those. Last thing we need to do is make them sesame, Janice, and the way to do that is just to sprinkle. Beyond that, I'm going to do a lot of mise en place. So I've brought some ginger, wild garlic, I've brought some spring onions, I've brought some herbs. 4 minutes. Let's do some prep. So I've got a mixture of delicious mushrooms. We're going to do ginger, spring onion and garlic. It's like the holy trinity of Chinese cooking. Wild garlic, bean sprouts, delicious. I'm also going to put that there because I think a pork dish would be wonderful with honey, ketchup, sesame and soy. Is saying that there would be an excellent dish. This here is already an excellent dish, especially if I put it on a tray. They should really be fried. But what if we cover it in sesame oil and bake it? That way, at least I know it gets cooked. Duck, it was on the table. It's a wonderful ingredient, especially when it is already cooked like this. We'll bowl it. I think I've done enough. What we've got is a delicious stir fry, a pork dish with a marinade, and we've already done chicken sesame toast in the oven. I'm gonna have to do more. Have I got time to make a snoozing dragon? So you cut down, not all the way through, but some of the way through an aubergine. Then you flip it, and you do exactly the same, but at an angle. Needs to be roasted off with lots of seasonings. That is not my problem, because that is a wonderful idea. I've prepped a lot, and my time is up. I'm gonna give myself a solid, sweaty 7 out of 10, because I always do, and it's Jamie up next!
Right, here we are. What the? I've broken it. Okay, step 1, I've broken it. Step 2, we're going to do bits. We're doing bits now, it's fine. Yep. I might just chop those up separately. That'll be fine. Right, what else have we got going on? We've got spring onions, coriander, chilies, ginger, mushrooms. What is that? Okay. Got a pork sword. We could do something with that. What is going on? Oh! Like prawn toasty type things. So, he's going down the Chinese route. Let's start by just chopping this up. But have we got Chinese 5-spice? We've got some soy sauce. Let's make like a barbecue-y marinade for our pork, and then I think we're going to tempura batter this aubergine. What a silly idea. That'll be fine. Let's... Lovely. Thanks, Janice. Get that heating up. If I get this marinating now, that's so wet. We're marinating it, it's fine. Yeah, juice. Sesame oil, soy sauce, ketchup. And then we need some Chinese 5-spice. Is that back here?
Yeah, about that.
We don't have any Chinese 5-spice. No! No! Right, we're gonna have to go with some different spices. Chili, sriracha, half my time. Excellent, great. We're good. That's it. Get that marinating. Right, I'm gonna make a really quick tempura batter. That's fizzy, isn't it? Do we have any normal white flour? Okay, right. Chinese 5-spice would be great to go in this batter to give it a little bit of flavour, but it's gonna have the Spanish element of cava in it, which will really add to the... There you go. Sorry. Flour. How much cava? I haven't even looked at the table. I'm just working with what's in front of me. 2 minutes left. Tagarashi, lovely. Oh, that's not very nice. Okay, well, let's go with it. See what happens, shall we? How hot is this? No. Right, I've got to do a good job. I want to do a good job. I'm going to put some of those in there so he knows. I think I'm out of time. I screwed this up. I've tried to correct it. I've done that. I've ignored that. 4?
If you're enjoying this, there are some small things you can do that make a big difference to us. Like the video, subscribe if you aren't, click the notification bell and select all. Thanks.
Okay, wow, it's carnage. It's just what's happened to the aubergine? Oh, this is so runny. Is that just entirely baking soda? So much veg, some meat, the soy sauce, sesame. I don't even know what that is. Is it prawns? What's that? Pre-cooked duck. I need to pull this together. At the moment, we're going to dump it on a plate and it's not going to be any good. 8 minutes. Damn, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I've got a horrible idea. Oh, I'm doing it. I can't do anything with that. I'm really sorry. Right, so my thinking here is, in our A to Z, spoiler, England episode, we did a video on something called a Wigan slappy, which is a pie in a burger bun. If I put some duck inside this, and we'll make like a definitely not East Asian slappy. I don't want to offend anyone because what I'm doing already is offensive enough. We've got the pork, so I might just shred that and start that frying off and put that in as well. Bosh. Slivers of this. Ebbers is gonna go mad. He's gonna go mad. Oh, could I put it between? Oh, it depends what's on that burger. But I could put the burger bun in between. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna go super thin. Get that in there. Get some oil in there, and let's have some of that sauce. Let's get some little mushrooms in there. And how long have I got? Sugar, not much time. Let's have some ginger for garnish. Wild spinach. Ducks in. I mean, it smells great. Right, that's gotta go in and just start cooking. So now all the contents in there. There we go. In it goes. Lid on. Bake it. Let's get rid of those. I don't know how long they've been in for. 119 will do. Oh my goodness, we could put like the Wigan slappy in that and then close it. Oh, this would be beautiful. I really hope Barry understands what I'm getting at. 30 seconds, let's take these out. But maybe Barry could do salad in that, slappy in there. I feel like I've done everything I can do with 5 seconds remaining. What's that? Cheese. Put the cheese there as well. So I'm gonna score myself a 9. And I never go high, but I think I might have just changed the game for all time for the non-Chinatown slappy. First you'll ever hear of it, last you'll ever hear of it. Barry's up next.
Right, takeaway. First of all, identify the cuisine. We have some prawn toast brioche buns. We have a pucker pie. Why do we have a pucker pie? What's inside of it? That, whatever that is, we have a duck flavoured pucker pie. Why? We have some greens, we have some noodles. So, wait a minute. Is Mike expecting me to make a Shanghai slappy? Wow, we're about to offend a lot of people. What's going to go with it? Because I have 8 minutes, and that's time to do something else. Egg fried rice! Let's get this pan really, really, really hot. Hot. Janice! Chili, 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 chili. How hot is that chili? Okay, right, in go our ginger. Ginger, a load of greens. Ah, stuff it, just get everything in there, flavour in it. Packet rice, sesame oil, crack an egg in, 2 bean sprouts going in. Oh, Uncle Roger be proud of this. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Janice, that's not what I wanted, but that's brilliant. Like soy, 4 minutes. We're good, we're good, we're good. Is this what Ben imagined? I can't imagine Ben ever for a second walked in the kitchen expecting this. I feel like we need something else. A sweet chili dip. Spicy sriracha ketchup. Let's make a surprise. Yes, please, chef. Yes! Ketchup, mayonnaise, sriracha. Would I put it in the burger? Let's put that in the burger. 3 minutes to construct the slappy. Cheese, go on top of the slappy. And I haven't got enough time. Can I, Janice, blowtorch? Don't sigh! You got your... Janice, 90 seconds. No, Janice! That's not gonna work! That's not gonna, that is not good for us. That is not good for... Blowtorch! Right, but why is it not melting? Melt! Melt! Sauce! Yeah! Give myself a strong 9 for that. Happy performance. And I'll clear down and get the boys in.
If you're loving the sound of this and would like to cook up a dish that's similar, you can check it out on our brand new sorted food tab on Sidekick. Scan the QR code now or click the link in the description box below.
Voila.
Yes! Yes, you did it!
That looks like you could have arrived on the back of a bike.
This is the Shanghai slappy.
Yeah!
Fair play.
Right, thank you.
I'm going to be honest.
You did it! I can't believe you got it!
Didn't see that coming. I think it's potentially genius. I'm slightly disappointed with all the lovely green stuff that I had prepped and none of the veg made it.
There's quite a lot of green stuff in there, right?
What makes that Shanghai? Because it's a pucker pie.
Cut into it.
Go straight through.
What is that?
Is that chicken?
Chicken toast.
That's not a thing.
I figured the theme was redemption, and last time we did prawn toast, and it was a bit meh because it got over fried and burnt. So I thought let's twist it up and redo it, but do it better.
Wow.
Oh, let's eat it!
Cheers, boys.
Cheers! It's wonderful.
Oh my goodness. That is spectacular.
That taste of all the component elements from a Chinese takeaway
In Wigan.
in a mouthful.
Oh yeah.
Someone made this right as well.
The first thing I did when I walked into the kitchen was saw this aubergine that had been half cut.
Ah, the snoozing dragon!
I picked it up and it broke.
Was I not so careful with that?
That explains a lot.
So I thought we can do something with that. We can make tempura batter for the aubergine and we can fry that off, got the oil going. Was it the best tempura batter? I'm not sure. It had carver in it, and raw, it didn't taste very good. But I thought, once cooked,
I tasted the tempura batter and it tasted like darkness. So I think he put your snoozing dragon to sleep permanently and then just prayed that Baz would kind of get what I was trying to do.
I think it was
And
the,
he did.
It was the first thing. It was pretty obvious that when you see brioche buns and a pucker pie in the oven, you know what to do.
That
It's something.
is a little slice of genius. It's a filling that is absolutely delicious. And then with the unusual sesame crunch, it looked like a takeaway.
it had the wow factor.
Yeah.
I went for solid 7 out of 10 because I thought I'd set us on a trajectory. We did use the bun, and I think compared to last time's redemption, it's a pass.
I scored myself a 4 because there was a mild amount of panic. I think that's a banging pass. That is one of the best passes we've had in a long, long time.
I gave myself a 9.
For putting a pie in a bun, I love it. I love it.
I was working off the back of greatness, so I kind of couldn't lose. All I did was really make a average egg fried rice on the side. But I still gave myself a 9.
Oh, of
Of course you did.
Because,
Yeah.
I mean, look at it. I'm proud of that.
Are we agreed? Are you agreeing with the three of us?
100% pass.
Yes!
I'm kind of glad that actually happened, given we had an audience today.
Well, thank you.
Over to you. Do you think it was a pass or fail? Comment downstairs in the comments and give the video a like if you enjoyed it.
Enjoy.
Or if you would order our takeaway.
Right,
Shanghai.
bring on the next, pass it on.
No.
What a
No.
Back in the game.
One and done.